in this short video, I am going to explain the differences between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the first point under the rough endoplasmic reticulum is, so the rough endoplasmic reticulum is a type of endoplasmic reticulum consisting of flattened sacs studded with protein synthesizing particles termed ribosomes on the outer surface. And for smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a type of endoplasmic reticulum consisting of tubular vesicles that lack ribosomes on the outer surface and is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids. So now let's move on to the second point. So rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on the outer surface. I have written endoplasmic reticulum in short as ER, and for smooth endoplasmic reticulum it does not have any ribosomes on the outer surface. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum is mostly found around the nuclear membrane, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mostly found near the cell membrane. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum possesses narrow pores below the ribosomes that allow the passage of newly synthesized polypeptides to the cytosol, while no such pores are present in the surface of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So ribophorins are present on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, while ribophorins are absent on the surface of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulums are involved in the formation of lysosomes, while smooth endoplasmic reticulums are involved in the formation of periosomes or oleosomes. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is mostly found in cells of glands and protein producing organs, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mostly found in cells like muscle cells and nerve cells. So disease like spondyloepimetaphyseal dysplasia is attributed due to the accumulation of misfolded collagen proteins in the RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. And for smooth endoplasmic reticulum, while prolonged smooth endoplasmic reticulum stress might result in the development and progression of many diseases including neurodegeneration, atherosclerosis, type 2 diabetes, liver disease and even cancer. So these were the differences between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So I have this image which shows the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You can see that the rough endoplasmic reticulum is located near the nucleus membrane and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is located near the cell membrane. And also ribosomes are attached to the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum while it is absent in the surface of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So these were the differences. Thank you.